Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got this little pouch here, and it's super secret. I'm gonna tell you what it is here in a second. It is a heated vest. So I'm going skiing soon, so, I guess that's gonna be the battery for it here. And the charger, it looks like it's gonna charge from USB to USB-C. And then here is the vest. Here is the user manual. And here is, I guess this is gonna be like a cleaning bag or carry bag for it. Well, this is the carry bag for it. Cleaning. So let's try this thing on, see how it fits. Actually, I'll try to put the battery in first. So we'll get the power. So where do you think the battery goes? Oh, battery goes right here. So inside there's a little pocket. Oh, and the little plug. So let's plug this into here. You think I need to turn it on or anything? Oh, okay, it comes charged. It had 4 dots on it already. Very nice. Okay, so it's kind of a heavy battery. It's got a lot going on. So this is the vest. So let's put this on and see what happens. So this is it for me. I got a large because I figure I'll put it on over like a sweater or something. So I don't think I'll be wearing it with a t-shirt in the ski area. But do I still have my microphone on? Yep. Okay. So here we go. So this is the vest on me. So I think this was large. We'll look in a second. But it's got decent sized pockets, so I could put my wallet in there or whatever. I have this one here, keep my phone up here usually. It's got this here. This is its tag thing. You know, I guess mesh wash laundry bag. So I was right on that. And then here's the buttons for it. Looks like I probably need to attach this thing, but let's see it. Turn it on. Oh, haha! It is on. You can see it lights up. I should be able to tell that. Okay, and so now I guess it's on, and it looks like the different settings. Oh, there, that'll be doing the vest, the front, and then the back. Oh, and then the different levels of heat. I guess the first one is going to be the hottest, second one is middle hottest, and third one is the lightest. It's funny, my back, I feel it heating. Oh, I have the heat on the back already on. I'm going to say, why is it getting so hot on my back? Oh, I can feel the heat right now if I hold it like this. So it's got little wires kind of running through it. And so the wires are kind of what heats up. I don't even feel the front heating up yet. Might take a minute, but this is what it looks like here. So check it out. I've got my little lights on. It's kind of funny. I'll be going in the ski area and people will know I have a heated, I feel it now. Oh no, I'll have a heated vest on. I'm gonna be the talk of the town with this one. It's super comfortable. It's kind of fashionable. It looks nice, just black and nice. So this is really nice. I like it. It's getting too hot. I mean, it's in the summer. I'm still kind of doing this in the summer, kind of, it's October, but it's warm in here, so this is hot. But yeah, now I totally feel it. So let me sit down for a second here, I'll show you. So I totally feel it. Ooh, I can't tell, it's got the wires, I guess, that are heating up in there, but I can't really tell exactly where the heat's coming from. I guess I don't have that much sensitivity to know where, specific on my body. It's kind of like when somebody puts their fingers on your back and says, how many fingers am I holding? You can't really tell. So as long as you get some heat somewhere, I guess it's gonna warm up. And I have too much heat on me right now. So I will turn this off. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside here. So the outside here, I'll show you real quick the outside. So the outside is made of like a nylon. So it's kind of like every jacket I own is made out of the same nylon. And then inside we have, it's like a felt kind of inside. So it's nice and soft. And you can see I have the large size, USA large. So probably where it comes from in China, that would be like extra, extra, extra large or something. But these are super nice, super comfy, and pretty lightweight and comfortable, and taking it with me skiing soon. So I'm gonna say this is awesome, and I like the way it has its own little pouch for it too. So very nice. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.